what likely bring for us. Okay, brightest money, Stycentric, brightest money to you too, brightest money to everybody. All right, so let's go to calendar to see what we have this week from our calendar. Okay, the week is not going to be a volatile week. We don't have much volatile reports for this week, but we'll consider what we have. Can you all see my screen? I just need a yes. Can you all see my screen? I need a confirmation from you. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Yes, thank you all. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Engineer Gelfrey, good morning. You're welcome. All right. So this week, we remember today is we looking at technical analysis. That is what we are looking at today. So this week, we are looking at both the fundamental and technical analysis for the week. Remember, it's for the week, so not just for the day. But tomorrow will be from the day. Monday is always a slow day, a very quiet day. So we do weekly analysis on Monday. So we have a sense of direction of where the market is going. All right, we have some issues at hand. In Afghanistan, the Taliban are taking over, and that is a geopolitical crisis. Whenever there's geopolitical crisis, not affecting the US tends to gain from it. So that is why you see the US dollar is strengthening, and also the safe haven currencies and assets like gold, like USD JPY, they are going up. All right, so keep an eye on that. If the Taliban continue to cause issues, mayhem, and so on, the US dollar will continue to be strengthened. Okay, keep an eye on that. And also at hand, we have COVID Delta. The Delta variants of COVID-19 is on. Some people call it the wave 3 of COVID-19. And that is causing a lot of concern in all economy of the world. And we see if there are lockdowns, if there are increase in lockdowns, the price of oil will fall. Yes, because nobody buys when there's lockdown. So the price of oil will fall, and that will weaken Canadian dollars. So keep an eye on that. And when the price of oil is falling, dollar is also strengthening. These two scenarios played out last week, and that is why dollar was very strong. And you see the effect of that on USD CAD and some other dollar crosses like Euro USD, GBP USD, and AUD USD, Nzd USD. These are dollar crosses, and you see them going down. All right, so if that continues, then we are going to see the dollar will continue to be strengthened, okay, because oil price will fall and there's a geopolitical crisis and so on. And but if there is lockdown or concern in America concerning the COVID Delta, that will affect the stock market. We also affect the dollar and also affect the stock market, because at that time, nobody buys, a lot of industry will be down, a lot of things will be down. So that will affect the US stock market and also the dollar. So let's keep our eyes on all this and news in line with all this, okay, this week. All right, today is Monday. And already all the PMIs, they've been out. We can see a little bit better than expectation. And this is making Euro USD to go up because the PMIs are a little bit better than expectation, except in few cases. Okay, most of them are a little bit better than expectation. This will strengthen the euro, and also we see the pound a little bit better than expectation. The flash manufacturing PMI, the service is lower. So because of this, you might see the pound ranging for some time. All right, so by 2:45 p.m. today, we see the flash manufacturing PMI and the flash service PMI. If it's better than expectation, the US dollar will be trending again. But if it's lower than expectation, the US dollar will fall. Remember what we said about PMI, Purchasing Manager Index. Okay, the purchasing managers, they see reasons to purchase goods and services for production. So if production or sales, so if the managers are not seeing reasons to do this, they are not going to purchase, and you will see this figure will drop. So it's when you see that the figure is going up, is a sign that the managers are seeing positivity in the economy. They're seeing people demanding for more. They're seeing people want to buy more. So that is why the managers will purchase, and the purchasing manager index figures will go up. So if it goes up, it's an indication that the economy is doing fine. All right. That is that on Monday. All right. On Tuesday, we have the new home sales, affecting the dollar. This is very important in US. Home sales is very important. People buying homes is a sign that the economy is good. People don't buy homes in a bad economy. Okay, so in US, this is important. So put an eye on this. Forecast is telling us already that it's going to be better than the previous. And if the actual is out and it's better than the forecast, then it will be very good for the dollars. It will be very good for the dollar. It will strengthen the dollar. But if the figure is out and is lower than the forecast, then it will be bad for the dollar. So keep an eye on this and then take necessary action on Tuesday. So on Wednesday, we have some news on Wednesday. German info business climate. This is very important for the euro, and also core durable goods order, important for the dollars. Okay, so this business climate info, we are looking at a better figure if possible. If the figure is better than forecast and previous, then it will strengthen the euros. But because of the COVID, the Delta variants, and a lot of happenings, if the figures is out and is lower than the forecast or the previous, then it's going to affect euro negatively, and you see euro dropping. So all the euro peers will fall. All right, so keep an eye on that. German info business climate on Wednesday, 9 a.m. Nigerian time. All right, so leaving that, we go to 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time on Wednesday, August 25th, core durable goods order. Durable goods are goods that can last for 2, 3, 4 or more years. And if people are ordering these goods, it's a sign of positivity in the economy. So we keep an eye on this. If the ordering percentage is increasing, if it's better than the forecast, then it will affect the dollar positively. But if it's lower than the forecast and the previous, then it will affect the dollar negatively, and it will also affect the stock market negatively. So keep an eye on this and watch out for that on Wednesday. So leaving that to Thursday, on Thursday we have prelim GDP. Okay, that's 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time on Thursday, August 26th. Okay, if the prelim GDP is higher than 6.6%, forecasted 6.6%. If the actual is higher than 6.6%, when it's released at 1:30 p.m. exact time, then it will be very good for the dollar. It will strengthen the dollars, and all the dollar pairs will go up and dollar crosses will go down. So watch out for this come Thursday. And also unemployment claim is also there. So watch out for unemployment claim. Already forecast is telling us is going to be lower than previous. So if the actual is out and unemployment claim is lower than the previous, that would be very good for the dollars, because the more people claim unemployment, it's a sign that the economy is not doing well. It's a sign that something is wrong in the economy. So what we do, we keep an eye on the actual at that very time when it will be released and see if it's going to be more than the forecasted. If it's more than the forecasted, then it's bad for the dollars. But if it's lower than the forecasted, then it is good for the dollars. Okay, watch out for that. And on Thursday, 1:30 p.m., August 26. Okay, then that same Thursday, watch out for this Jackson Hole Symposium. It's also important. Powell will speak at this symposium. We just watch out for what he's going to say. If it is going to raise concern about the economy in regards to Delta variants of COVID-19, then that will be very bad for the dollar and also bad for the stock market. Okay, but if it's going to talk about interest rate, monetary policy, raising the interest rate, if interest rate is raised that will be good for the dollar, but will be bad for the stock market, because once interest rate is raised, it increases the value of the dollar, but affects the stock market negatively. But if on the other side, on the flip side, if you said they are not going to raise interest rate, they are not doing anything concerning that, okay, like negative statement about the interest rate, then you are going to see the dollar will fall and the stock market, all the stock market shares will rise. So watch out for these, and stay tuned on Thursday, okay, August 26th. Then finally on Friday, which is August 27th, we see retail sales, 2:30 a.m. affecting the Australian dollars. All right, forecast is already telling us that this is going to be bad. This is bad figure, minus 2.0 compared to previous 1.8%, minus 1.8%. So minus 2.0 is forecast is telling us it's going to be bad, but we wait for the actual. When the actual is released and is worse compared to this, then it's going to affect the Australian dollar negatively. Okay, maybe you see -4, -3, -2.5%. Okay, that would be bad for the Australian dollar. But if you see a better figure than 1.8, -1.8, probably you see 1.0, or probably you see minus 1.1%. Okay, that would be good for the Australian dollars. All right, then the core price index, no, this is not going to do much. We have the Fed Chair Powell speaks, okay, on Friday, 3 p.m. Nigerian time. This is very important. So we listen to what he's going to say in regards to the economy, in regards to interest rate, monetary policy, and COVID data variants of COVID-19. All right, so the reverse University of Michigan consumer sentiment is also very important. Okay, so if this is better than expected, than the forecast, it will be good for the dollars. But if it's lower than expected, the forecast would be bad for the dollars. All right, so these are what we have for fundamentals this week. So watch out, guys, and be ready to trade the financial market positively this week. So that's a fundamental. Let's cross over to the technical this morning. I'm set already on the technical. All the pairs we want to look at this week already. We're looking at Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, Nzd USD, USD CAD, and gold. These are what we're going to look at this week, and we're going to pick them one after the other and discuss them. But pending the time, if you have any question about the fundamentals, about CJC market, you can drop your question in the comment section and I will answer all your questions. All right, CJC, this is brought to you by CJC Markets. I need to tell you about CJC Markets. CJC Markets is set to train 1 million Nigerian youth on how to trade the Forex market. That is the vision, and we're ready to do it. We have 10,000s of clients already, and then we are working on the 10,000s of clients. And then more, we are still training more of these people to understand the financial market and be able to trade in the financial market. Okay, if you are new here, this is the first time you're joining us and you want any of our training, you can walk into any of our offices in Nigeria and get trained. Our trainings are free, both the beginners class and the advanced class. They are all free, and we make sure you understand the dynamics of the market and trade profitably in the financial market. So coming to CJC, you can walk into any of our offices. If you're in Lagos environs, you can walk into our office at 6th floor, 103 Musheshola House, Allen Avenue, Ikeja. Or you are in Port Harcourt environs in the south, you can walk into our office as 193 Aba Road, Rumola Junction, beside Emerald Hotel, Port Harcourt. If you are in Abuja or in Abuja environ, you can walk into our office in Abuja at number 50 Ademolade Tokumbo Crescent, Wuse 2, Abuja, and we are still spreading. We have partner offices all over in Lori, in Ibadan, in Saba, in Calabar, in Yenegua, Bayelsa, and in Waibom, and so on. We have partner offices all over in Nigeria, and we're still looking for more partners. If you want to be our partner in any of the states that I didn't mention, or I've mentioned, you just hit us up and we will discuss business. And at CJC Market, we hold the hands of our clients to make profit every day. Like these are our daily and weekly analysis. We do this to make clients would understand, to get a sense of direction of how to navigate the forex market during the week and during the day. And this helps a lot of clients to take better decisions. Being part of our clients will help you to gain insight into the market and help you to understand how to trade the market every single day. Then apart from this, also at CJC Market, we give signals for free for our clients that want signals. Some people love trading signals, and we give this to our clients. So if signals is what you want, the minimum funding for signals is $500. The $500 is your money, is in your account, but we don't want you to blow it. That's why we are putting minimum funding, because signals, some people don't know how to trade signals. When they say, oh, they gave me signals, they will hit it with so big lot size and they will crash their money if something, a little thing go wrong. So for us to be on the safer side, that is why we bring this up. $500 minimum funding if you're going for signals, and we advise you to use 0.01 lot size to trade that $500. But if you are doing more, then $1,000 use 0.02, $2,000 use 0.04, and so on. Okay, you can do the calculation, but minimum of $500 if you're going for a signal service, and we give 2 to 3 signals every single day for you to trade. Then we have the copy trade service. You can connect with experts in the copy trade service and allow the expert to do their thing. And you see money coming in at the end of the month. Okay, the market will always be up and down, and you just allow them to do their things, to run their stuff. And at the end of the month, when they closes their trades, you are going to see profit in your account. So you can do this, you can copy the trade. I think some traders are using $200. Some require minimum of $200 to copy them. Some require minimum of $1,000 to copy their trades. Some require minimum of $5,000. Some require minimum of $10,000. Depends on the category you fall into. So choose wisely and follow a trader on our copy trading, social trading platform, and you'll be glad you did. Then apart from all this, we have advanced class. Advanced class is very free at CJC Market. We have raw spread account. We have different kind of account, VIP account, raw spread account, standard account, Saint account. We have Saint account. For those of you funding $50, $50 will be too small in dollar accounts. Why not transfer it to Saint account? You can open a Saint account. Your $50 becomes big money. Your $20 becomes big money. Your $100 become big money in Saint accounts. So you can take advantage of our Saint accounts and also trade, okay, the small money as big money in the foreign exchange market. Okay, so we have all this for you at CJC. Withdrawals and deposits are very fast and very good. We are always here, 24/7 account officer, and we're always here ready for you, and take your hand and journey along in the foreign exchange market. So we are welcome, not to bore you with a lot of my stories this morning. Let's go straight ahead to our technical analysis, and let's analyze the market. All right, guys, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Okay, if you want to know how to trade fundamental analysis, you need to attend any of our classes. Okay, can you see my screen? Yes, okay, everybody can see my screen. Okay, thank you, thank you. So let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Thank you all, thank you all. So let's do it. All right, this is Euro USD weekly time frame. I'm on weekly time frame because we want to do weekly analysis. That's why I'm on weekly time frame. And remember, we don't trade on weekly time frame. We do analysis on weekly time frame, and we go to lower time frame like daily and 4 hours. I'm a fan of 4 hours. I love 4 hours. So go to lower time frame and execute our trade. We don't trade on weekly time frame. All right, so this is where we are now. Yes, last week in our weekly analysis, we talked about Euro USD, and you can see Euro USD fell a greater extent last week. And this week, Euro USD, bias for Euro USD this week is bearish. That's my bias for Euro USD this week. It's bearish bias, expecting Euro USD to go down more in this week. Okay, so but what we're seeing now is normal. I'm expecting a pullback. What we're seeing now is normal. I'm expecting a pullback to 1.1750. That's the resistance, weekly resistance, 1.1750 for Euro USD. So I'm expecting a pullback to that resistance. So if that resistance holds this week, that means price will drop back to 1.1650, 1.1650. Then if price breaks 1.1650, then we move down to 1.1650. level this week. So this is what I'm expecting Euro USD to do this week. Okay, I'm expecting Euro USD to do this this week. Then apart from just this, if price decide to break 1.1750, maybe on 4 hours on daily time frame, we have a close above 1.1750. That will lead us to 1.1800. To lead us to 1.1800, and at the same time, it may even lead us to 1.1890 level. To lead us to 1.1890 level. So let's prepare for this. So that important resistance is at 1.1750. That's the resistance we watch out for this week. If price fails to break that, then we are going to see a reversal downward to 1.1650, then 1.1600. But if price breaks 1.1750, then we will see a move up to 1.1800 and then 1.1890 level. But as far as price remains below 1.1750, the bias is bearish. As far as price will remain below 1.1750, the bias this week is going to be, it will remain bearish. All right, so let's look at this. You can see what is forming. If this is fine, if it's correct, okay, it kind of double top on 4 hour time frame. Okay, it kind of double top on 4 hour time frame, and probably this is the neckline, and you can see price has broken the neckline. Price has broken the neckline. Last week closes below the neckline. So if this hold, we might see a very big move. This is weekly time frame, so you don't expect it to happen in a day or in a week. Okay, so if this is a double top on weekly time frame and price has broken the neckline over the weeks and months, Euro USD may come back to this point, okay, around 1.1470 level. So Euro USD might come back to this point. That is huge. That is huge. Okay, let me get the exact point for you guys, so that it's not what will happen in a day, nor a week, nor a month. So because this is weekly time frame. Okay, this is 590 pips. That's 590 pips. So a move down from the neckline should also give us another 590 pips. 590 pips. Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, that is 1.1440 level. So 1.1440 level. So if price remain below this neckline, it's going to move down to 1.1440 level. Okay, 1.1140 level. Sorry, 1.1140 level. Okay, and that will take some time. It will take some weeks, some months before you get there, because this is weekly time frame. Okay, this is weekly time frame. So watch out for that, guys, and then see what price is going to do, because I'm seeing a double top there. All right, and the neckline is broken by price. All right, so if we move down to daily time frame on Euro USD, we can see the arrangement already we are seeing here. So a beautiful pullback is expected to 1.1750. So remember I said 1.1750 is the level to watch out for. Okay, that's a very important level for us this week. Okay, a break above that level is what we'll be looking out for, because that's what will lead us to all the direction we'll be going for the week. Okay, 1.1890 is another target if price breaks above 1.1750. So the first target here will be 1.1800, and the next target will be 1.1890. But if 1.1750 holds and price is not able to break it, and there's a reversal candlestick on daily or 4 hours time frame, then it's time to go down to 1.16450, then lower to 1.1600. My bias for Euro USD this week is bearish. All right, that is Euro USD, guys. Let's move on to Gbp Usd. Let's move on to Gbp USD. I'm trying to see if I will get something on Euro USD for you guys to watch out and see. I love this pattern I'm seeing. Okay, I love this pattern I'm seeing. And I look at something like this. Can you see? It's powerful. Trust me, if you know how to draw trend lines, you will always enjoy it. This is very powerful. So a reversal is what I'm saying. I'm always seeing a reversal for Euro USD now. Okay, if that reversal continues, then we'll be going down more, okay, to the lower part of this channel. So guys, watch out for this this week. It's very, very important. Okay, you can see that that's a sharp one, a very sharp one on 4 hours time frame. Okay, this will be our guide. All right, sorry for that. Can you hear me? Everybody, can you hear me, please? Can you hear me, please? I need a yes. Yes, okay, thank you. I'm sure you guys are with me. All right, that's good. So if this forms a bearish two candlestick pattern, bearish engulfing candle, then that's a sign for going down, because you can see what market has been doing, okay, expecting this trend line. So if we have a bearish candle here, then it's time to go down to 1.1650 level. Okay, that would be sweet, right? All right, guys. You know, every time we come together, we always have sweet setup. Okay, sweet setup using trend lines, to form a lot of things, channels, using it to form triangles, peanut, wedge, and so on. So we use it to form a lot of things every time we come, and it helps us to see the market, okay, from a different perspective. And I tell you, it gives you confidence and help you to get a right direction of where you are going for the week. So this is very important, guys. That is why if you don't know how to do all these things and all these things I'm mentioning, I'm talking about, no problem. Rome is not built in a day. Okay, find time, join CJC market and learn. The secret to success in forex market is learn, learn, and learn. Okay, so learn. All right, guys, that's that. Let's leave Euro USD now. We spent so much time talking about Euro USD. Okay, the next we're looking at here is Gbp Usd Weekly Analysis. All right, Gbp USD is forming something interesting. I'm looking at it with one eye, and I'm also seeing something, and that may be big, may be very big, but okay, it's very big. So look at what Gbp USD, my bias for Gbp USD this week is bearish bias is my bias. You can see the guy landed on the support and respecting that support. Can you see? It landed on the support at 1.3620 level. That's a very good support for Gbp USD. It landed on that support at 1.3620 level, and it's respecting that support. And now it's trying to retest, okay? There may be a little retest at 1.3727 level. Okay, price may want to come and retest this, but remember, this is also a support level where it is now, 1.3665 level. Okay, this is a support, though a minor support. So it's at this minor support. Okay, remember, this is weekly time frame. So if price might likely, I would like to put a line there to guide everybody also. So let's watch out for this. It will guide you. It will really help you to take decision. All right, 1.3665 level. Okay, so my bias for Gbp USD is bearish. So look at it. That's what it's doing now. You can see what it's doing now. So we are here. We'll be watching this closely. Remember, we'll be watching this closely. So it closed above this. We're on daily time frame. So a daily close above 1.3665 level will take us straight to 1.3725 level. Okay, 1.3730 level, sorry, not 25, 1.3730 level. This should be 30 level, okay, 1.3730 level. So for me, Gbp USD this week is a normal stuff. What it's doing now is a normal stuff, normal bouncing. Okay, if that If there's a retracement, the rejection from 1.3665 level, then we're going to see a drop back to 1.3620 level. Then a break of 1.3620 level will take us down to 1.3570 level, to take us back to 1.3570 level. So watch out for all this move from GBP USD. Then on the flip side, if price closes above 1.3665 level, then that will take us to 1.3730 level, to take us to 1.3730 level. So watch out for these two levels, very important level. Price is already at important level, and it's also bouncing off important support also. You can see it at 1.3620 level. So GBP USD was a lot for us this week, and it's at a place of taking proper decision also this week. So on 4 hours time frame, this is 4 hours time frame. Sorry for that, guys. This is 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame, we have this. Okay, we have this on 4 hours time frame, and I think I can see something. Let's try it. Let's see if it's a good one. Okay, it's not a bad one though. It's not a bad one. It's not a bad one. Okay, that's not a bad one at all. Trust me, it's not. It's not a bad one at all. I think I can see this for GBP USD. So let's see how GBP USD is going to react to this channel. This is a new week, so let's extend this because it's going to guide us throughout the week. Okay, if you're having your system, your laptop, you can kindly draw this. As I'm drawing it, putting all this on my chart, you can do the same thing because it's going to really guide you. So if I see a rejection, okay, if I see a rejection here on this 4 hour time frame, it's going to guide me to go down more, right? To go down more. But if I see a break over above 1.36 and 65 level, then price goes into this channel, then it will guide me for an upward movement to this level. Okay, this is what I see on the GBP USD this week. So watch out for that immediate resistance at 1.3665 level, and the break of this resistance might take us to the next one at 1.3730 level, and a rejection from this resistance. Remember, I'm on 4 hour time frame. Rejection from this resistance may take us back to 1.3620 level, and a break of 1.3620 level will take us down to 1.3570 level. And when it gets to 1.3570 level, be careful. That is a serious double bottom, a very serious double bottom. So be careful and see how price is going to react to that before taking another trading decision. Okay, before taking another trading decision. Actually, it's going to be a sweet week for us, looking at how the setup we're having this week. All right, so let's leave GBP USD and go to AUD USD. This is AUD USD for you, guys. AUD USD is also testing a very important resistance at 0.7180. 0.7180 is a good resistance level, and AUD USD is playing at that resistance level. Okay, last week we saw a lot of things about AUD USD, but if you look at it very well also, let me see if I'm going to get something on the daily time frame. Not at all. Okay, not at all. But what I'm seeing, my bias for AUD USD, sorry, is also bearish. I have a bearish bias for AUD USD this week, and the resistance at 0.7180 and support at 0.7100. These are two important levels we need to watch out for. Resistance 0.7180, support 0.7100 level. All right, bias is bearish for AUD USD this week. So look at what price is doing on 4 hour time frame. If you remember last week, we said be careful, and price was able to break this and move down more till almost got to this point. Okay, but now price is going back to test 0.7180. So it closed above 0.7180. It close 4 hour close. Okay, I prefer 4 hour close. Above 0.7180. Let me go to 4 hours so we can see that clearly. Okay, a 4 hour close above 0.7180 level will lead us back to 0.7220 level, and from there it will lead us back to 0.7290 level. So at this point, Fibonacci retracement will be very, very important. Okay, you know why? This is a reversal. Okay, price is trying to reverse. So Fibonacci will be very important. I can plot my Fibonacci retracement here. All right, so you can see this is important. It's telling you, this is a shallow level. Price is above the shallow level. So it closed above this resistance at 0.7180. We hold waters to tell us, okay, price has closed above this. So it's likely going to test this new level at 38.2% of Fibonacci retracement, and then 50.0% of Fibonacci retracement. Then might play around this place then before we see another drop, okay, before we see another drop. But a rejection of this shallow level at 0.7180 will tell us that this fall is not over yet. So the retracement has not really started. So because this is shallow level retracement, but a close above 0.7180 will take us high to the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, and a break of that will lead us to 50% and 61% Fibonacci retracement. So you can add Fibonacci retracement to your own to boost your level of confidence. Okay, if you don't know much about a Fibonacci retracement tool, don't worry. That's why we are here for you at CJC Market to train you, and you understand all this over time. All right, that is AUD USD this week. Let's go to Nzd USD this week. Nzd USD this week is also very nice. It has been playing around this level for some time, okay, moving around 0.7100 and 0.6920. It has been trading within this range for so many weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks. Okay, that's so much, that's so long. It has been trading around this level for some time, and now we have a breakout. Okay, so if you look at this level critically, you might likely see something like a continuation pattern. Okay, this is what I call continuation pattern. When you have something like this is like a continuation pattern. Okay, all right, so this is a continuation pattern, and that continuation pattern is broken. So you understand, for the advanced traders we have here, you understand what this means when the continuation pattern is broken. Okay, price may move that distance downward. Okay, that's about 174 pips. Then price may move that distance downward. So this is telling you 174 pips is around this point. So this is telling you that that downward move of Nzd USD is not over yet. It's not over yet. Okay, so my bias for Nzd USD this week is bearish bias, expecting price to drop. This pullback we're seeing is normal, okay? Because when we have a big move like this, okay, pullback is expected. So the pullback might be exhausted at this level. It might be exhausted at this level, 6875, and it can extend to that next resistance at 6920. Can extend to that next resistance at 6920. So it's normal. Then after the reversal, after the pullback, then we may have a continuation. So we expect something like this, okay, this week. Okay, don't just trade blindly. Remember, there must be something you're seeing, okay, like reversal candlestick, downward reversal candlesticks pattern, or what's it called, chart pattern, reversal chart patterns that will tell you, okay, we are going down before you initiate that sell trade. Because this is forex market. We don't trade expectation. We trade what we see. Price may pull above 0.6920 and closes above that. Once it closes above that, it cancels our bearish scenario, because that will make price to go up to 0.7100 level. So watch out and don't just trade expectation. Trade what you can see. Trade what you can see. All right. So for me, I'm expecting this pullback, which is normal, okay, to this level. Then from there, a continuation downward to our target of 0.6900 level. But before we run down to that target, this support at 0.6800 must be broken. The support is at 0.6800 and the resistance at 0.6920. So these are the support and resistance level that we must watch out for Nzd USD this week. Okay, then a break below 0.6800 level will lead us to 0.6700 level this week. Will lead us to that level this week. Okay, guys, that is Nzd USD for you. All right, so let's leave Nzd USD and go to USD card. USD card was very interesting last week, and a lot of people made good amount of money from it. due to our analysis, we're able to show you levels where this guy will get to, and he got there. And I told you that when it gets to that level at 1.2930, there will be a reversal, and it actually happened. There was a reversal. You can see, bam, it hit that level at 1.2930, and price began to drop. That was fantastic. Price began to drop. I saw somebody took advantage of this. He saw it. He saw this reversal early enough, this pin, and took advantage of that, and he made money while going up, he made money while coming down. Now the smart trader, okay, and that's what I expect you guys to be a smart trader. All right, so my bias for USD CAD this week is bullish bias, because if you look at the daily weekly time frame, you can see this big bullish candle, okay, that closes above that resistance at resistance to support at 1.2750. 1.2750, and now price is hitting on that support. Now it's not a support, it was a resistance last week, but now it's a support because price has broken above it. So now it's testing the support at 1.27450 on daily time frame. So if this closes this way, if today candle closes below 1.2750, then that is a sign that we are going down. Please, it's a sign we are going down. Okay, it will cancel the bullish scenario, all right? Because this is a very serious pin bar. Can you see this pin bar? And it closed below is a confirmation of that pin bar. Those of you that know how to trade candlestick, okay, this is a confirmation of this pin bar. And that will push price down to 1.2620 level, but it closed above this, okay? We dampen that bearish movement, okay? It closed above 1.2750 daily close above it, or 4 hours close. You can also make use of 4 hours. Okay, with this now, some risk taker can take this risk, but with a very tight stop loss. Okay, with a very tight stop loss, because 4 hours has already closed below 1.2750 level. So with it, you can take this risk with a very tight stop loss, like a kind of sell. But another close, which I don't think will happen now, above 1.2750 will lead us back to where we are coming from at 1.2930 level. And when price falls, if this fall continues, when it gets to 1.2620, that's the next support, 1.26620, decisions will be taken. And from here, it can be a reversal upward, or it can be a move downward. So take note of these levels. They are going to be very important for USD CAD this week. They are going to be very important level for USD CAD this week. All right, guys, that is USD CAD. But remember also that if the geopolitical crisis continue, the one in Afghanistan, and continues, the US benefits more from this crisis. And you see the dollar will continue to be trending. And if the dollar continues to be trending, then USD CAD will go up. Okay, and if you see more lockdowns taking place, increase in Delta variants of COVID-19, increases, price of oil will drop. And when price of oil drop, Canadian dollar become weakening. And if Canadian dollar is weakening and dollar is strong, what do you think? This guy will reverse and fly up. Okay, and at the same time, you can plot Fibonacci retracements on this guy to see where this retracement level is going to get to. So it has crossed this already. So it might hit 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and then price will fly up. So it might decide to do something like this, okay, forming this kind of ABC movement. So it might decide to do something like this, getting to 50% Fibonacci retracement, or moving down to 61.8 Fibonacci retracement before moving upward again to where it's coming from. But any of this is going to do, as a smart trader, we're always ready for any direction the market is going to take, and we hit the market hard and make good amount of money from the market. But for the time being, okay, 4 hours has closed below this support, turn resistance now 1.2750, and the price might move gently to 1.2620. But watch out for all those Fibonacci levels, so that it will guide you to take a proper trading decision this week. Okay, proper trading decision this week. All right, so let's leave USD and go to gold. Gold has not done very bad also. Last week, it was just ranging at the point, okay? And then our levels are still there, 1793. 1793 is our resistance, and the support is 1758. 1758 is our support, okay? Better still, let's call it 1760. Okay, 1760 is our support for gold. 1760, resistance is 1793. Okay, so a close above 1793 will lead us to 1830 this week. Okay, will lead us to 1830, but a reversal from 1793 will lead us back down to 1760, and a break of 1760 will lead us to this. Okay, then see what is formed on gold. I was able to plot that for you guys to see on gold. And so it's a big one. It's a big one, but gold might want to respect this guy. Okay, so watch out for that. Gold might want to go up a bit, hit this guy at this point, and from here reverse. Okay, it's possible. Gold might want to do this. So watch out until you see a breakout. If there's no breakout, don't buy gold, please. I'm pleading. If there's no breakout, a clear breakout, please. Okay, and if it's a big breakout, then watch out. There might be a retest before the movement will continue. Okay, so but if there's a reversal, if you hit this region of 1793 region, and there is a reversal candlestick form, okay, then it's time to go down to 1760, and a break below that 1760 will lead us to 1720, and then more below 1720 will lead us to 1690 level. Okay, 80 level, 1680 level. So I think it's safe trading gold in this region for now. So buy scenario is a no-no from me. Okay, for now, a no-no. That is why you see my bias for gold this week is neutral to bearish. Sorry, neutral to bearish. That's my bias for gold this week. Neutral to bearish. So gold might hit this upper trend line of this triangle pattern. Then from there, it falls down to all these levels we've stated out. So on 4-hour time frame, we have something like this for gold. So watch out for this on 4-hour time frame. All right, so I have something like this for gold on 4-hour time frame. What I just showed you was on daily time frame. Okay, this 4-hour time frame. Zoom out 4-hour time frame. So we might see gold doing something, hitting that trend line at this point, at this region, then fall back to 1760. Then from there, a break below will take us to 1720. So watch out for this on gold this week, and a close above this trend line can take us to 1830 level for gold this week. Okay, 1730. Please and please, if you have not opened an account with us at CJC Market, kindly open an account with us. Okay, it's very important. Go to our website, www.cjcmarketglobal.com. That's our website, www.cjcmarketglobal.com. Okay, CJC Markets Global.com. That's our website, www.cjcmarketglobal.com. And if you every other thing I've discussed before, you want to make inquiry about our signals, how you can be involved in getting free signals from us, send your name, location, and signals to that phone number 070-3414-6478. I just sent that number to the chat box. If you want to be part of our copy trading platform, you want to copy the trade of experts, or you are an expert trader here and you want to provide trades and people can copy your trade, why not hit us up on that number, send message, text message, or WhatsApp message to 070-3414-6478, 070-3414-6478. Okay, if you miss the fundamental, it's not an issue. It's recorded. This session is recorded, so you can. I will send this to the Telegram channel. If you are not in the Telegram channel, join our Telegram channel. Thousands of Nigerians are there already. Join our Telegram channel to get all these updates. If you are not in our Telegram channel, that's the link. Click on that link and join our Telegram channel. All right, click on that link and join our Telegram channel. All right, so let me answer all your questions now. Let's take your questions and answer all your questions now.